Hey guys, it's Anthony's Tech here, and today I'm going to show you 10 tips to make your PC faster. Okay, so the first one's called Go Opaque. Well, what you will want to do is open your settings menu, go to personalization, go under colors, and turn transparency effects off. You want to do this because it does cost slight resources in Windows, but doing this you can reclaim them. Anyways, it kind of looks cooler. The second is called no special effects. What you will want to do is, the next thing you will want to do is turn off special effects. So what you do, go to the search bar down here and type in advanced, and this should pop up view advanced system settings. Once you're into here, you want to go under performance and click on settings and hit adjust for best performance, and it will turn all that stuff off. Hit apply and hit OK. X out of that. Now the next one will be disabling startup programs. So what you want to do is hold Control Shift and Escape. This should pop up. And what you'll want to do is click the startup tab and disable the ones that you don't want. But I'll leave some of these up, but you can disable the ones that you know. Make sure to leave Windows Defender on if you use it, and your HD audio drivers if you don't. Some stuff could be bad, and some stuff could be fine. But yeah, make sure to disable the things that you don't use. Now, another thing that you could do is um, disable. No, I mean, find and fix the problem that's causing your computer to slow down. So what you want to do is right-click on the Start button and choose Control Panel, which is actually not here for me. Might be for you guys. But searching Control Panel, open that up, and search, well, go under Security and Maintenance. Security and Maintenance. And you will want to hit Troubleshoot Common Computer Problems. And if nothing pops up here, you're good to go. But if you think your computer is being slow because of one thing, what you can do is hit additional troubleshooters and run all these troubleshooters if you want. Certain ones you can, certain ones you don't have to. But if you're having a problem with a program, you can do this one. And yeah. The next one will be reduce the boot menu timeout. What you will want to do is go to advanced system settings again and hit settings under startup and recovery and change this number right here 30 seconds to 10 seconds because it'll be much faster to boot. Like, it'll take 20 seconds off your boot sometimes. And hit OK after that and hit OK to close that. The next thing that you should do is disabling tips. So what you want to do is hit the start, go to your settings, go under system, go under notifications and actions, and toggle off get tips, which is right here. Make sure to disable that, but I turned all my notifications off because I don't like them get in my way sometimes, but disabling tips can increase the speed of your computer. The next thing that you should do is run a disk cleanup. A lot of people don't do this, and it improves performance a lot if you have a hard drive, and sometimes can help with the SSD. So what you want to do is type in disk, and disk cleanup should be right there. You can select the stuff that you want deleted, and you hit OK. but I'm not gonna do that. Another thing that you can do is type in defragment and optimize drives, which that error won't pop up for you, but it did for me for some reason. Um, Another thing to improve hard drive space and performance is disable startup tasks. So what you'll want to do is go to your control panel. Under programs, hit uninstall a program and uninstall a program that you don't use, but make sure you know what each thing does and don't delete the wrong thing. Another thing that you can do is change your power plan. So to do that, you want to open the control panel and you will want to go to system and security and power options. And I put mine to the ultimate, but you can change yours. Make sure to select ultimate performance or balanced to make your computer faster. Ultimate's the best one though. And the final one could be restarting your PC. It could be as simple as that to make it faster. And also clearing your downloads folder. I know that helped me in the past. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.